Hi, I'm Steve Hasche. In this doodly, I will give you a quick flyby of what the infinite banking concept is all about and the connection it has with a specially designed life insurance policy. There are three simple things that I really like about IBC, and that's liquidity, control, and the guarantees that you have with your money. So what do I mean by liquidity? You want access to your cash for opportunities that come along in life, like buying some land, updating equipment, maybe some travel, giving to charities, maybe a retirement account, or even operating costs. Really anything that you can think of to spend money on. Just let your imagination roll on that. What do I mean by control? I want my money in a place where there are no fees, no taxes. I want to pay my taxes once and be done with it. I don't want to have fees to use my money. I want to be my own banker. I want to be in control. So what do I mean by guarantees? I like storing my money in a place where there is no risk, no market losses, and there is a binding contract. I like to do business with a company that has been around for over 140 years. This is all peace of mind. So there are two charts on the right side here. One is the traditional way of saving money, and it's exposed to market risk 24/7, 365. There's market news happening every day, every hour, all the time. And we live in a non-stop news cycle. It's controlled by tweets and everything else. So it's exposed to risk non-stop. So accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or even SEP accounts are very risky when you think about it. All you can do is hope that you make more money in the end when you need it. But everybody's doing it, so it must be the place to store your money, right? I guess so. The bottom chart is what a policy chart looks like. You deposit your money, time carries on, and all of a sudden, you've got compounding of your money happening. You have a tailwind at your back, you have lifetime growth without market risk and potential market losses, which is huge. It takes a long time to recover from a market loss. When I took a look at the infinite banking concept, I saw how this could impact my family, our future. It could give us a lot of flexibility and give us some financial freedom. Once you have better access to cash, you kind of begin to look at the world a little differently. Sometimes just knowing you have it as a backup plan is worth a lot. So let's look at financing an asset. And this can be a car, a piece of equipment, a set of braces for a child, just whatever that you know you're going to probably spend money on in the future. It's whatever you want it to be. There's generally just a few ways to do this. You can borrow money and go into debt, and then make payments until you're out of it. You can just say the heck with it, I'm just going to pay with cash like your dad and grandpa and great-grandpa did. Or there's another way to buy assets where you can capture opportunity costs with your money. That way is called the and asset strategy. You can have your cash in a policy and have that asset that you'd like to buy. It isn't you have cash or a car. It is you can have cash and a car. So it doesn't have to be a car, it can be any asset. Just plug that asset in there. You can have cash and land, cash and some braces for your child. Your money has more than one job, and your money always is compounding. So how does this work? Well, this can happen because you can take a policy loan against your cash value in your life insurance policy and then use the life insurance company's money. The money you have in your policy never leaves the policy. That's why it's always compounding. So the bottom line here, since we are working with a specially designed whole life policy, there is also a guaranteed death benefit that is also tax-free. That is what most people think of when they think of life insurance, just the death benefit. And I get that. But as an IBC practitioner, I'm showing and teaching people how we can help you have many living benefits that you can enjoy and use. This is the best way that I found to use my money as I want and leave a legacy at the same time, and that's important to me. Remember folks, keep it simple. Think about liquidity, control, and guarantees whenever you're comparing what you want to do with your money to this. So I hope you enjoyed the doodly. Give John or I a shout if you want to visit about this or anything else. Thank you.